Mucii-ini wa andu akuru wa Thagana kaunti-ini ya KIRINYAGA nikuo gavana Bobi WAIGURU egwikinyitie igongona-ini ria gucokia ngatho na gutuga andu akuru.
No mundu mukuru kithe to gwacokaga nathi.
WAIGURU ambiriire na gucokia mwihoko kuri mucii uyu akiuga TAITU ya mugunda wao ni kuheanwo.
Wameniomba wako na shida ingine ambayo ni title deed, kwa sababu unajua wazee ambao wanakaa huko hawana kwingine. Kwa hivyo kuna wale wamekufa, wakikufa kuna cemetery hapo nyuma mahali ambapo wanazikwa, na kumekuwa na shida ya title deed. Mimi nimepatiana hatua katika ofisi yangu, nikawaambia waamke asubuhi, wenye kuandika barua, wenye kusign, wenye kufanya wote wakuwe Monday asubuhi, na tukimaliza wiki title deed ya mji wa mzee wako wamepewa, ndio wakuwe independent, waweze kupata usaidizi kwa wale ambao wanataka kuwasaidia, si ndio?
Agituga AKIARIA ya WAIGURU augite kuri na bata munene wa kurumbuiya andu aria akuru guku akihinyiriria ciana kwaga gutiganiria ciari na makiria riria makura.
Sisi tungeomba watu wa KIRINYAGA kwanza na vijana wetu sana, tuangalie wazazi, tuangalie kina nyanya na babu, na tusaidie wazazi wetu, ndio mzigo wa watu wazee au wale ambao ni wazee upungue, si ndio? Na mumeambiwa ni baraka. Ogeda kirathimo. There is only one commandment with a promise in the Bible. Si ndio? Kwa Biblia yote ni commandment moja tu ambayo imeshikanishwa na nini? Na baraka. Na hiyo commandment inasema nini? Inasema honor your father and so that you may live long in life in the land. Wengine wanasema in the land, in the life, bora umjue so that you can live long on earth, si ndio? Some versions talk about a long and fulfilled and blessed life.
Gikundi gia Sakun gigitongorio ni Shakila makoretwo magithondeka mucii uyu na gutigirira AKIARIA ya mari na kundu kwega gwa guikara.
I am very grateful because by having Her Excellency here, so many of our problems that we were thinking about in the home and wondering where we could go have been solved today. We have had water connected, we have had issues with land addressed, we have had registrations of SHA, we have had so many wonderful things happen for our older persons.
Atongoria aria makumagaritie WAIGURU kuma kaunti-ini ino magithinyiriria bata wa gutangikira andu akuru. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ni njitagwo Francis Mwangi wa Wawira.